So guys, I finished my lunch. Ang sarap ng dried fish. So right now, we're gonna make our kasaba suman, or we called it suman na kamuting kahoy. So what I did is, I washed off the banana leaves for our suman later on, because this is where we're gonna put our ingredients and we're gonna roll it, And I wash it off just to make sure na clean siya, and I would just dry it with our dish towel na been used. So I just took another new one. So papaapuyan lang natin to para makuha yung mga anik-anik sa banana leaves. I used to do this when I was younger kasi yung lola ko dati, yung ginagawa niya, nagbebenta siya ng mga putulanson, mga suman, mga like ganito, mga kasaba suman, or suman na kamoting kahoy, tapos mga madaming binibenta yung lula ko dati nung bata pa ako. Ako pa yung nagbebenta. Pagkatapos ko yung mabenta, bibigyan niya na ako ng pera. Yun, tapos ibibili ko na yun nung gusto kong bilhin. So, yung lola ko yung sa akin, nag-alaga nung bata pa ako. Kasi yung parents ko, na tumitira kami dati sa may province sa Guimaras. And yung lola ko naman, kasi yung mama ko is from Iloilo City talaga. Yung tatay ko is from the province. So, we have house in the province and also we have house in the city. So, yung lola ko, nasa city kami nakatira, and yung mama at papa ko nasa province. So, yung lola ko yung nag-alaga sa akin. Tapos, lumaki na ako sa Iloilo City, and yung ginagawa ko dati, naglalako ako ng mga snacks. Tapos dyan na yung natin. Ito, i-drain ko dito siya sa para yung yung tubig mapiga, kasi 'di ba pipigain pa natin 'yan. Kasi yung ating diyan, buko para sa ating para sa ating bukayo. So ito yung gagawin ko. So gagamit ako ng ito. Tapos yung gagawin natin is magpapatno lang tayo ng apoy. Dito lang siguro saan. Yan, konti lang. Yan yung apoy. So, gagawin ko is, or di na nga ito lang gagawin ko. Ko lang siya. Daanin ko lang siya sa may Kailangan kasi mainit. Yan. Ginagawa ko to nung bata ako. Pero mild lang naman na I don't know kung bakit ginagano nila. Pero siguro lang parang kasi papadaanin mo siya sa apoy to make it really easy for you to fold, or to fold the ingredients sa loob ng banana leaves. That's why you have to give it some heat, Give it some heat. So, pinas kahoy yung ginagamit or uling. Bakit iba? Iba yung amoy. Iba yung amoy ng Daanin lang natin. Yung ko kasi, yung apoy is siya, medyo puti nga kasi yung range namin, apoy talaga. Yung iba, electric yung ginagamit nila na range. So, hindi mo yun magagawa to kapag electric yung yung range. Yung sa amin buti apoy. Or else, ako ng uling. Meron akong uling dyan kasi bumili kami ng barbecue grill for charcoal. Charcoal talaga yung ginagamit. Yan yung gagawin ko kung dito range yung namin. Okay, tapos na. So, what we're gonna do next is we have to cut this into the, so tapos na siya. And what we're gonna do next is, ika-cut natin siya sa portion na we needed to, para mamaya. So, this one is already cut off. So, what I'm gonna do, I will cut the edges, yung dito. Just to make it clean. Pero gagawin ko yun later, kapag after this. So, medyo siguro, malaki-laki ng konti dito. So, ganyan. So now guys, I drain up the excess water sa ating cassava. And we have all the leaves, the banana leaves for later, the last part. So I used 2 packs of cassava, grated cassava. And you can use at least 4 cassava or 5 kung maliliit naman na fresh talaga. So this one is frozen and it's already grated. And I have a 1 cup of sugar. Ito yung yung gagamitin ko, yung brown sugar to make it more brownie, yung yung cassava. And I have a 1/2 cup of coconut milk. And this is for later on. We're gonna make our bukayo. So we need like 1 pack of young shredded coconut. And we'll need 1/2 cup of brown sugar, gagamitin natin. And then, we'll have a 1/4 cup of water later on para sa ating bukayo. So, what I'm gonna do is, because this one is too small, I'm gonna use this one and transfer it here. So, I just transfer it here and I'll put the brown sugar. So, I'll be using my hand with this to mix everything up. I also clean my hands before I'll do this. So 1/2 cup of sugar. And then try to mix up with the cassava. So ganyan lang. I-mix lang natin. Next is yung milk natin. Yung coconut milk ilalagay. So, yung ginagamit ko is yung Coco Mama. Nabili ko siya sa Wii. Try natin gumamit ng ganito. So, I'll mix this up with this instead of my hands. Or pwede din siyang kamayin. Depends to you. Make sure na lahat meron. Wag sobrang baka basa na yung mo na sobrang sa coconut milk. So we already mixed this ingredients for our cassava. We'll just let it rest and we're gonna make our bukayo, our filling. And it will be really easy and quick bukayo. So I'll show you how to make it. And after that, we're gonna do our molding here. We're gonna mold it here. So we're gonna make our bukayo. And we're gonna put all the ingredients in our pan. And we'll just mix it up and wait until it gets the sugar caramelized and stick to the coconut. So, nire-ready ko lang yung ating paglalagyan ng natin mamaya. We're gonna steam it later. So, I'm just putting water for our steamer kasi isisin natin siya. And then, nare-ready ko lang siya. Kasi yan, patapos na yan, mga ilang minuto lang. So guys, tapos na tayong gumawa ng ating bukayo. This is good. So gagamitin natin siya, ito, yung tataliin natin. Para hindi siya mag-open kapag i-steam natin. So I already have the steamer ready doon. Kita niyo naman. So I have everything na. So let's get ready. So we'll just put extra one here. So put extra one. And yung gagawin natin, we're gonna take this and i-expand lang natin. Yung ating kasaba kanina. Kasi lalagyan natin ng bukayo in the middle. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung mga gagawa natin. So, yan. And lalagyan natin ng bukayo in the middle. So, it's my first time trying this. So, we'll see. So, ifo-fold lang natin. Wait lang. Kailangan pa ng medyo Bakit kuminix? So, it's my first time trying ganito. Hopefully, maganda siya. So, just try to, yung natin, yung bukayo, na talaga siya sa meat. Parang malaki yung first try. So, ganyan na siya. And then, you can fold it. Dapat mahigpit or else mawala siya. And that's why I put extra banana leaves inside para hindi siya para hindi ito finold ko lang siya sa side and on the other side din. So ganyan. So I'm gonna take this and i-wrap lang natin siya ng maigi. So, ikakat ko lang yung excess na, Ito na. So, okay na siya. Ganyan. Basta importante is, naka-close siya dito. So, we'll see how many we can make. So, So guys, I finished wrapping all our cassava and we'll just put it in the steamer. So I made 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 lang. So just 8 is enough because it's only me and my husband, and I think mostly me who's gonna eat this. Maybe my husband will try this. So we'll put it in the steamer. So nakaano na siya. We'll just turn this on and I'll put the cassava. So yun na. Just let it boil and we're gonna wait for 30 minutes. So I'll show you later on guys kung ano yung result ng ating cassava. So guys, our cassava suman is already cooked for 30 minutes. And my husband is already here. So we have it now guys, and look at that. That looks perfect. That looks like the one that you buy to the vendors who sell snacks. It's just usually our snacks in the Philippines in the afternoon. Mostly in the province, we make this. And it's still hot. It's good if you eat it like... Oh, my husband will try it. Oh, yeah, you will try it first. Okay, I'll try it. So ito na.
I want to make sure.
Mm.
We both go down.
It's so good! No! It's so good, my love. Just the way. Yeah, it's coconut. It's the bukayo. The bukayo turned the same color to the ano. So it's
It's
like
supposed to be
that.
crunchy in there?
Yeah, because it's the young one.
What's that in the middle?
It's the coconut one, the bukayo.
Oh.
Yan na yung kasaba natin.
Because it's not sweet.
That's what I like.
But why wouldn't you make it sweet?
What?
Like, isn't it supposed to be sweet?
Not too sweet.
But that's not sweet at all.
It is sweet.
That's
You
not
didn't try the middle one. The middle one, I make it just, regular sweet. But it's so good.
You're gonna burn your mouth. That looks like an egg roll.
It's not egg roll.
It looks like cabbage.
It's coconut.
Was that the coconut that's like slippery at first? Well, you gotta remember, Americans don't have slippery coconut.
It's so good. At least I know how to do this now instead of buying it in Filipino store. It's so expensive. So guys,
Oh, is it expensive?
it is like $3 for just small one, smaller than this one.
How long did it take you to make that?
It takes like an hour, 2 hours, because it does a lot of work. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, share,